Good morning, traders. I'm Tom White with your Schwab Network Morning Minute for Friday, November 15th. Applied Materials shares are under pressure despite better than expected earnings after the chip equipment maker provided a mixed outlook. It forecast a range of potential revenue for the current quarter, which ends in January, with a midpoint of about $7.15 billion compared with the consensus view of $7.24 billion. Shares fell on a lower than expected sales outlook for the first quarter on weaker demand trends in China, which is about 30% of its sales. And Domino shares are rising after a filing revealed that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway had taken a stake in the world's largest pizza chain. According to a 13F filing, the conglomerate bought nearly 1.3 million Domino shares that had a market value of about $550 million as of September 30th. The stock has been lagging the market this year and was up only 6% prior to the investment. And Alibaba shares are rising after beating profit expectations despite sales falling short as sluggishness in the world's second largest economy hit consumer spending. Alibaba said net income rose 58% year on year to 43.9 billion Chinese yuan in the company's latest quarter on the back of performance of its equity investments. Be sure to download the Schwab Network app and watch 24/7 on schwabnetwork.com.